guys, this is Amber Fortney here with Young Living Essential Oils, and today I just wanted to show you the difference in the diffusers that are available when you purchase a premium starter kit. So I am going to not flip the camera around because it's not an option, but here we go. I'm going to do my best. So here we have all 4 diffusers going. You can kind of tell the output on them all. So we'll start with the Desert Mist. The Desert Mist is really amazing because it has all the settings. So right now, it's just, if you hit the button once, it's on high, but you can hit the button a second time and it's on low, and a third time is intermittent, and on the intermittent, it actually goes for 10 hours. And it also has different light options. So here's the light button. So it has like a dimmer white, the candle light flicker, which is really pretty at night. You can hit this button and then it goes through all the colors. So it'll go red, orange, yellow, or you can specifically pick which color. So there's orange, yellow, green. I love this blue. And then it has like the purple, or it can be off. So that is the Desert Mist. It has all the different bells and whistles, but it's still in the $160 price point for the kit, which is also the Dewdrop. So the Dewdrop diffuser is the quietest of all the diffusers, so it's great for in bedrooms and specifically for children's bedrooms because it only runs for 4 hours. So when you turn it on, this is with the light off. So the light was on, now the light's off, and it's off. But when you first turn it on, it'll run for about 4 hours, and then it'll shut off, and there still is water in the reservoir. And if you hit the button again, it'll go for another hour or so. So I'm just gonna shut it off. The cover pops off. I'll show you how these kind of work. So then there's another kind of cone cover in there, and you take that off, and then inside you can see that there is the little red dot. So you just fill your water up to that, and it's about, this one I usually put about 8 to 10 drops of oils in, where the Desert Mist, when you shut this one off, I hope you guys can see on the camera still. This one lifts off, there's the cone, and then this one doesn't have the red dot, but there's a line. Let's see it, I can't tell what I'm videoing. There's a line right here, so you just fill the water up to that line. And then, like I said, the high goes for around the 4 to 5 hours, low is around the 6 hours, and the intermittent gives you 10. So those 2 diffusers come with the $160 price point. The next is the Rainstone diffuser, which is just gorgeous. It puts off an awesome stream, as you can see. This one in the kit is $205, so it's $40 more. This one comes with a remote, so I'm just gonna shut it off. So when you first turn it on, that setting goes for 8 hours. Otherwise, you can pick 1, 2, 3, 6 hours. So you can set it. You can actually shut the mist off on this one. And you see that there's still a light. That's because it has a built-in ionizer. So if you're familiar with the Himalayan salt lamps, then you'll know about the benefits of having an ionizer. So that you can shut off or have on. So if you just want to have the ionizer on, you can do that. Or you can have the mist on or off. So there's lots of different options. This one you can also change the lights. So that's the teal, the amber, and the purple. So this one comes with the remote. This diffuser I do about 15 drops of oils in, so it's a little more. The Desert Mist I do about the 10 to 12, the Dewdrop about 8. And then last but not least, we have the Bentley of diffusers, or the Aria. You can hear the music. Turn it up. This one also has a remote. So it's beautiful. It plays like spa-like music, so it's a very nice relaxing diffuser for in your home. So this remote, same, when you turn it on or off, and then when you turn it on, it only goes for the 1 hour, but you can also pick 2 or 3 hours. So 3 is the longest this one runs, but there will still be water left, so you can turn it on a few different times for the shorter periods. That's just really nice and calming. You can also shut the music off, and then it comes with an auxiliary cord so you can plug your phone into it and play music off of your phone through it as well. There's volume controls to turn it up and down, and then there is the purple, the lavender light. You can have it off, and it has the blue and then the kind of white, which is my favorite. So that is the difference in the Young Living diffusers. They all come with a 1-year warranty, which is awesome. Another great fact is sometimes people might be prone to wanting to buy a diffuser off Amazon or a less expensive diffuser, and the problem with that is they're not made with the same plastics. So when you buy a less expensive diffuser off Amazon, you're not going to have a 1-year warranty, and if you diffuse a lot of citrus oils, it actually breaks down the plastics of the diffuser, and then you're just going to be breathing that in. So to me, it's worth spending the $68 to get a diffuser that is a better quality, that has a 1-year warranty, especially because I have kids who break them. Anyway, I hope you learned something new, and which diffuser are you going to get?